Hi everybody, my Krow des. And I think we're gonna do something a little bit different this week. I realized that I really haven't gone over what exactly the general concept for this game is. So today we're gonna do that, and I've got a little bit of an elevator pitch for you. You ready? Here we go. You like Pokemon? You like putting things in a grave? Well, I got the game just for you. And that's the end of my pitch there. Vectorlings is an NFT game on the Polygon network where the world is populated by user-created NFT monsters. Every vector, which is what I call a single vectorling, you encounter is an NFT that was minted by either you or somebody else. But the twist is, whenever you battle and defeat a wild vector, it will be dead forever. So the overall population of vectors will be constantly changing. But fret not if you see your favorite vector species has gone extinct. There can always be more if the original creator mints more to the game. And that's kind of the basic premise so far. I think instead of doing traditional types, what I want to do is basically link every species to a crypto and its daily price. So you might create a vectorling species that is Bitcoin type or Solana type, and you get a positive or negative bonus depending on the price of the crypto each day. So say Bitcoin is up 10% today, and then your species would have a 10% bonus attack or maybe 10% more defense. This bonus would change each day depending on the actual percentage the crypto price is that day. I think this would make gameplay pretty unpredictable and interesting. I also got a suggestion from Aaron about determining type based on the percentage of colors used when creating your vectors. And I think I might also do this as well, but it really depends on where I get in this project. As for some other features I think would be really cool, since this game is really about world population, I think it'd be really cool to somehow incorporate something like a total population and an overall death count. Maybe make it so that if the death count is like 60% of the total live population, then the remaining vectors would get a large attack bonus or defense bonus so that it would be harder for people to kill them. And one thing I really want to do is let people know who created what species. So when you create a species, you'll be able to input your artist name and artist link so people can know who made this cool species. This would be in a Pokedex of sorts, so people could see who made the species and who owns that instance, or if they're wild, or if somebody has already killed that instance of the species, and by who. It's Pokemon, but with an obituary page. It also might be kind of fun to get real-time alerts of when a species becomes extinct. Is that too morbid? Nah. And after that, I'd eventually like a marketplace so people can sell and trade their vectors. I think that's about it with the general idea and plan for this game, which is a pretty hefty bag of to-do lists. Now on to the actual progress so far, and that part is not looking so good. Unfortunately, I wasn't really able to get much done this week. I've been kind of struggling with some RSI issues and it's been hard to type. But that being said, I was able to get a battle system started. It's not much, but right now when you get into a battle, we check to see what vectors you have and what vectors are available to fight. Then you get paired with one. And that took a lot longer to do than I expected. And I know it's not really secure at this point either. But I wanted to have interactions with the server at least. After I got that together, I was able to set up a simple battle loop where each user sends their moves to the Morales server and then the results are calculated and sent back so the battle animation can play out. It's not too bad, but I don't have a good animation system. So each attack right now, no matter what the actual type is just the same as tackle. Other than that, I was able to get the health bars looking pretty nice and some basic menu and dialogue boxes. And that's pretty much it. I think next week I'm going to spend time to flesh out the battle system. You know, let you be able to use items and switch out your vectors. Also next week there's going to be another video as well. I took a day off to kind of rest from what was going on with my hands so that I could actually fix this other thing that I had, this project I've been waiting to do for a while. So that should be out next week before Friday, so look forward to that. It's gonna be good. I think that's it. So, have a great weekend and see you guys next week.